Welcome to all. In this video, I am going to discuss about chromosomes. Chromosomes is a hereditary fibrillar DNA. The chromosome means, it is a Greek word which means chroma means color, soma means body. During staining condition, it absorbs more amount of staining. That is why it is called color body. So, which means chromosoma. In prokaryotes, the DNA with nucleoid associated protein is called chromosome. In eukaryotes, the DNA with histone and non-histone protein is called chromosomes. This chromosome is first observed by Walter Fleming in salamander larva. Then the least number of chromosomes present in Australian ant, which name is Myrmecia. It have one pair of chromosome, and the highest number of chromosome is present in hermit crab, which contain 254 chromosomes. Now we will see about the chromosome organization. Before that, we have to know about the cell cycle. In this cell cycle having 4 phases: M phase, G1 phase, that is first growth phase; S phase, synthesis phase; G2 phase, second growth phase. So among these 4 phases, this G1, S, G2, these 3 phases are commonly called interphase. In this interphase, the chromosomes are called chromatin. During this interphase, the chromatin look like a thread-like structure. Then, in initiation of G2 phase, the chromatin become condensed and to form a like this structure. Now it is called chromosome. So, during interphase, that is G1, S and G2 phase are commonly called interphase. In this interphase, the DNA strand look like a thread-like structure. Now it is called chromatin. Then the initial stage of G2 phase, the chromosomes become, that is the chromatin become condensed. Then it is called chromosome. Okay. First, in this G1 phase, mRNA and protein synthesis may occur. Then S phase, synthesis phase, that is replication of DNA is occur in this S phase. Okay, this is the DNA double helix. When the G2 phase is initiated, the condensation began. The condensation of chromosome is began. That means the histone proteins, 8 histone proteins and linker molecule to form a nucleosome. So this one is called nucleosomes. So many nucleosomes occur in this DNA double helix. So it's look like a beads on string. So this is the initial stage of condensation. Then 6 nucleosomes join to form a solenoid. So this is the solenoid structure. This solenoid structure having 6 nucleosome structure. So this is the second stage. After that, the solenoid structure more condense to form a coil structure. Then again it more coil to form a supercoil. In the supercoil segment, the centromere may occur. This centromere is nothing but repeated unit of DNA. Then these stages are occur in this interphase. After that, prophase is initiated. The supercoil structure is more condensed and more condensed to form a this chromosome-like structure. In this chromosome is easy to visible in metabase stage in light microscope. This is the structure of chromosome. This chromosome, the single part of this condensed part is called chromatids. During cell cycle, the S phase, that is synthesis phase. Synthesis phase of cell cycle, the DNA is replicated. After replication, the chromatids is converted into 2 chromatids. So the 2 chromatids are called sister chromatids. Then in this chromosome, the primary construction occur at any point, not only the central point, at any point the primary construction is occur. That primary construction of this chromosome is called centromere. Centromere is nothing but a repeated DNA sequencing and well condensed part of this chromosome. It is located at any part of the chromosome. According to the position of centromere, the chromosome is classified into 4 types. Later we will discuss these 4 types of chromosome. Okay, this centromere binds with a protein called kinetochore. Kinetochore is a protein which binds with the centromere region. This kinetochore having microtubules. This part is called microtubules. During mitosis cell division, this microtubules bind with the spindle fiber. Okay, then after this chromosome having many secondary, 2 or many secondary constriction, that then in that secondary constriction some enlarged particles may occur. This enlarged particles is called satellite body. This satellite body is not present all the chromosome. For example, in human chromosome 13, 14, 15, 21, 22 only having this satellite body. So these chromosomes are called SAT chromosomes. So not all the chromosomes are having this satellite body. Only few chromosomes are having. In human 13, 14, 15, 21, 22. These 5 chromosomes are only having this satellite body. So that chromosomes are called SAT chromosome, which is used as a marker. The satellite body is used as a marker. Okay. In this chromosome, the outer is covered with a pellicle and inner something is located, that is called matrix. This chromosome having the beaded structure. The beaded structure is called chromomere and non-beaded structure is called chromonema. Okay. Okay, the edge of the chromosome having telomere. Telomere is a tandem sequence. Tandem sequence is nothing but repeated DNA sequence. Repeated DNA sequence is called tandem sequence. The edge of the chromosome having this tandem sequence is called telomere. The telomere is used to sealing the chromosome to maintaining the stability. During death or aging, the telomere becomes short. The 2 arms are named by P and Q. P means petite arm, that is small meaning. Q means long. According to the position of centromere, one is called P arm, that is petite, small, short arm. Another one is Q. Q means long arm. Now we will see about the types of chromosome. I already told, according to the position of centromere, the chromosomes are classified into 4 types. When the centromere located at the center, the 2 arms are equal. It is called metacentric. Then the centromere slightly located at the offset of these 2 arms, which means we can get unequal arms. It is called submetacentric. Okay, the centromere located at the edge of this chromosome, it is called agrocentric. Then when the centromere located at the telomere region, it is called telocentric. In human, we can get only these 3 types of chromosome. There is no telocentric in human beings.